Welcome back. Gram Sabha at Sakwa Panchayat resolved to oppose 6 mega projects coming up in the vicinity. Furious Gram Sabha demanded action against the previous secretary for his dubious role in giving NOCs to mega projects. People also shot back at Panchayat for turning a blind eye to some of the docks and shipyards operating illegally within the jurisdiction.
त्याने किती केलें ग्रामसभा जाली आनी 29-7 ग्रामसभा जाल्या आनी 1-8 तेणे 1-8-12 तेणे 6 लायसन इश्यू केली मेगा प्रोजेक्टाक 6 लायसनां आनी ते म्हणटा सरपंच म्हणटा आपल्या तेणे कांयच नॉलेज हाडिनासतना तेणे भायल्या भायर दिला लायसन.
Sarpanch Narayan Naik admitted that previous secretary had committed illegalities. Sarpanch also hinted that tax collection slabs will be revised for Zuari agrochemical outlets and a committee appointed for the same will conduct inspections soon.
Actually, ते starting तेणे बसयलेलें ते म्हाका दिसता कमीत कमी 6,90,000 कितें तरी ते येता पयलीं सान आनी तेजेर जे फाटली जी बॉडी आशिल्ली तेणी कांयच हें करूं ना रिवायज कांयच केल्लें ना आनी आयज ग्रामसभेत ते पॉयंट जो येयल्लो आसा ते फुडें तेजें इम्प्लिमेंट करचें म्हणून आनी जी ती कमिटी अपॉयंट केल्ली आसा ती वचून ती इन्स्पेक्शन बीन करून आतां जे कितें थंय सद्या पोजिशन आसा तेजेर इन्स्पेक्शन करून तांकां तें टॅक्स लावचें म्हणून आयज ठराव जाल्लो आसा.
Our reporter Surendra Madkaikar from Sakwal.
And now news from sports. Goa was still 12 runs away from avoiding the follow-on at the end of third day's play in Ranji Trophy Group C match against Services at Porvorim. Professional recruit Ravikant Shukla is unbeaten with 78 runs along with Rohit Asnodkar, who's not out on 52. Goa will have to overtake Services total of 473 runs to get 3 points, but that will be a challenging task with half the side already back in the pavilion.
Goa were 193 for 5 and Rohit Asnodkar combined with Ravikant Shukla for the repair job. Left-handed Shukla has been in great form since joining Goa at the beginning of the season on professional outstation quota. The former Indian under-19 captain has been consistent throughout the season so far. Shukla remained not out on 78 runs which came off 132 balls in 216 minutes. Rohit Asnodkar proved a patient partner for Shukla and reached 52 at the end of third day's play. His inning consumed 135 balls and 155 minutes. Goa were 312 for 5 at stumps and still trial Services by 161 runs. Our sports editor Neeraj Prabhu with video journalist Prajot Pednekar from Porvorim.
Goa Football Development Council had organized a day-long sports medicine seminar in Panji on Sunday. The cream of sports medicine experts from India, including Dr. V.C. Pace, shared their knowledge with Goa's football fraternity. State government has backed GFDC's plan to open a sports medicine center in Goa.
Health Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar was the chief guest for the inaugural. Speaking on the occasion, he confirmed the government backing for Sports Medicine Centre.
The initiatives of Goa Football Development Council and will support the creation of full-fledged Sports Medicine Centre in Goa, which is the desire of our Chief Minister, Mr. Manohar Parrikar.
In his presentation, former Olympian and father of Leander Pace, Dr. Wes Pace, rubbished the theory of inheritance of sports talent.
Took him every day to the swimming pool and gave him the opportunity to swim at an amateur state. Then the US Olympic Association recognized his talent and they put him into specialized camps. And then he started competing and competing. and he eventually achieved what we call the 10,000 magic hours. So it takes 10 years, 10,000 hours, 20,000 deliberate repetitions and perfect repetitions to produce excellence.
Anti-doping expert Dr. Ashok Ahuja enlightened the gathering about doping evil in sports and its testing procedure.
The Olympic movement with Thomas Hicks of USA, when he won the marathon and collapsed in St. Louis, he had used brandy with strychnine, you see. Brandy as a kind of a analgesic, or you can say so that he doesn't get the fatigue or so, and also strychnine as a stimulant or so, collapsed and died. 1936 Olympics. Nazi German athletes used first rudimentary testosterone preparation.
Renowned Goan orthopedic surgeon Deep Bhandare gave a talk on sports injuries, management and prevention.
It's been well documented that athletes who were fit, they get less injuries. Unfit athletes get more injuries. Very slow comeback to active soccer after injury. Start with aerobic training, conditioning, strengthening and agility training before you go back to soccer. Try to get well prepared before you start the game again.
Keeping its promise of medical assistance, GFDC gave away medical kits to football clubs. A sports editor, Neeraj Prabhu, with video journalist Devendra Gaonkar from Panji.
And if you have missed our bulletin, log on to www.prudentmedia.in or follow us on Twitter at Prudent Goa. You can also meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Take care and keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.